Hey everyone, I'm Sudeep. In this video, we will learn about the increment operator in MongoDB, that is $inc. In the last video, we have seen the $set operator, which is used to update the existing field value in the document. Suppose if you want to update the age of a student of student ID 1006 from 25 to 26, we'll use the $set operator. It takes an object with the field name and its value. In a similar way, if you want to write a query, like suppose if you want to increase the age of all the students by 1, you had to use a $increment operator. It is used to increment a numeric value by given value. Syntax will be db.collectionName dot either update 1 or update many, and you have to pass the condition. After that $increment, it takes an object, field name and the specified value. In our condition, we have to increase the age of all the students by 1. So db.studentsCollection.update many condition will be empty because it has to update all the student records in the students collection. After that, the $increment operator and the field name is age, and it has to be incremented by 1. Update many command should be used whenever more than one document to be updated. Okay, before updating the age of all students, let's get the current age of the students. For that, db.studentsCollection.find, and the first condition should be empty. Add the projection, the student age, right? Age is equal to 1, and it should be 1, $_ equal to 0. Okay, let's press the enter. Here you can see 10 students age, it is 22, 23 like this. Now let's write the update query. We have to increment each student's age by 1. For that, db.studentsCollection.update many. First condition should be empty because it has to match all the records in the students collection. The condition will be $inc, and the field name is age, and we have to increment by 1, so the value should be 1. Just press enter. It returns an object. If the acknowledge is true, it means the query is executed successfully. Here you can see matched count 10 and modified count 10. It means it has matched the 10 documents in the collection and it has updated all 10 documents. Now let's run a query to check whether the age is incremented by 1 or not. Here you can see the first student's record is 22, it is 23. It means the student's age is incremented by 1 successfully. In a similar way, if we want to decrement all the students' age by 1, we don't have any decrement operator in MongoDB. For that, we have to pass negative value for this incrementer operator itself. Just pass -1 and press enter. So it is -1. Okay, press enter and just run a query. Here you can see the students' age are decremented by 1. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribing to my channel.